How you doing, guys? I'm doing this video just to say hey Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And well, since today's Mother's Day, I'm gonna do a little barbecue, and I'm thinking of making some corn on the cobs. So I'm gonna start looking for some of the bigger corns so I can harvest. Yeah, that way I can start doing them on the barbecue pit. Okay, so this one looks like a good size. So let's get this one. Okay, alright. Oops. Let's see. It's a good size one. Can get bigger, but I'd rather I get it instead of the caterpillars or the birds or whatever pests. So yeah, let's look for them. Yeah, this is a good size too. Alright. There we go. Alright, let's look for more. That's a little bit small. Alright, this one's a good size. I would have just waited a little bit longer, but I mean, it's Mother's Day, and what best to eat your own harvest. It's gonna taste even better. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a good size too. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna get 6 for now. I'm gonna let the rest get bigger, and then I can get a good harvest. But today is a special day, and I wanted to eat some corn on the cob on barbecue pit. Might even get myself some squash, some zucchini squash. Put a little bit of olive oil or avocado oil on it. Put some seasoning, and we'll put it on the grill too, and have a delicious, healthy vegetable dinner. So I had already harvested some of the zucchini, so I'll just use the ones I have. And the lettuce is doing good. Butterhead lettuce. Even the cantaloupes, you can see little baby one there. This is a bigger one, another bigger one. The tomatoes are doing great. It's already time for me to start pruning them and training them on the stakes. I'm actually a little bit late on that, but I should have done it a long time ago, but I haven't had a chance. So I'll do that later on. So yeah, guys, well, thanks for watching, and once again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and fathers that single fathers that are being mother and dad at the same time. Alright guys, thanks for watching.